If you experience this error, I might have a solution for you. First method. Go to Network and Internet. Change adapter options. If there is an options like this, try to disable and enable it again. If that method doesn't work, let's get to the next method. Press Windows plus X on your keyboard. Look for Device Manager. Click on Network Adapters. Try to disable and enable it again. See if it works. If you are not seeing your Wi-Fi driver like mine, you might want to search the internet for Wi-Fi drivers according to your laptop specifications. If the disable and enable method doesn't work, try to uninstall it and restart your computer. Don't worry, it will reinstall on its own. If it's not working again, and if you are brave enough to disassemble your computer laptop, then maybe this will work. As you can see, I already removed the top of my laptop. So we're now looking for a flex cable with orange color like this one. The thing might be different on PC and other laptop, and that thing is responsible for the Wi-Fi in your laptop. If it looks like it's loose, try to reconnect it to the right port, which is right here. Now it's connected. Reboot the laptop. Now the Wi-Fi icon has appeared. Hope my methods work on your machine. Sorry if it doesn't. Thanks for watching.